Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So today this tutorial is going to be about Wix, and so I am going to show you how to edit and customize the button. So in one of my last video regarding the button, I showed you about the change the text and icon thing and also the layout about this part only. But here I am going to complete the other part, which is the design. So if you go to the design, as you can see, it's a customized field. So currently it's a blue color. So if you change it to, let's say, white or black, and you can also set the color opacity here. Also, you have the option to change the hover also. So the hover effect currently is this, but if you want, we can give a blue also as well. And then next thing is the text. So here there are a bunch of things to choose between. There are a lot of options. So this is to show the text and to hide the text. But of course, it will be shown all the time unless and until if you want to show the icon and hide the text basically, so that then you can just disable it. Then the other option is themes. So currently, the get in touch this text is based on the theme, which is paragraph 3, and it has a Helvetica font. But if you want to change it, you can have the options like this from H1 to H6 and paragraph 1 2. So let's say we end up clicking on paragraph 1, then we can just reduce the size 16, yes, and then after changing the paragraph 1, the theme to paragraph 1, you can also change the font size according to what you want, but you can keep between 16 to 18 depending upon the button size overall. Then the other option is bold, then italic, then underline, then this is strike through. Also, capitalization options you can choose between. Then the text color you can change. So I will give it this color, and the outline color is also there, like this. You can choose between that. Then the highlight color, you can choose highlight color as well. Then you can also change the direction basically. Then change the text alignment, which is not showing that much effect because our text is already in the decent two words basically. You can change that on your own basically, and you can also try that. Then the character spacing, then the line spacing, and then the shadows. You can also add a shadow. Now I have added a shadow basically. As you can see, now it's showing because previously it was black when I first enabled that. So we don't want shadow, then just minimize it. Then the next option is borders. Click on, if you press 1, set the border to 1, you can do it like this. But this is on the regular one. But on the hover, if you want to change its color, you can do that. So on the regular, we set it as a white border and with a 1 pixel of border, and the hover with a 1 pixel of border with a different color. This is also you can do it basically. And then the corners option. If you want to set like a 20 pixels of corner, just enter 20. If you want to just set the right side of the corner, you can just do like this, but keep it locked to all the four sides same pixels basically. I've done this. So this is how you can do the corners, and again putting it back to 0 as it was earlier. Then the other option is shadows for the button basically. Just click on add a shadow. As you can see, the current Color of the shadow is black, and you can see the shadow has been there now. Just hide it basically for now, as I'm completely showing you. I showed you this layout thing in one of the previous video. It has the option on hover for the padding only. Padding means like padding for the icon and the text in the button. Then the other option is icon. So if we click on show icon, this is the icon it shows. But if you want to give the color or the change the color of the icon, you can also change it. You can also change the size as well of the icon. You can also set the rotation basically. You can also customize it on the hover effect as well. So on the hover you can customize the color which is different from the regular option, regular thing, the icon. If you want to change the icon, just click change text and icon and click on the replace icon. So let's put the another arrow icon. Just enter arrow and then press enter, and we'll choose any one of these. So we'll choose this one, choose the file. Here it is. So this is how it was, and I completed the layout thing, the change text and icon, the design. The other option, the animation and the link I have covered in one of the previous videos. You can check that, or you can also, I will also going to show you in the next coming video. So I hope you understood this video and tutorial regarding the button in Wix. So there are many kind of button options in the Wix. So this is one of them. So there are a few more which I'm going to show you the tutorial. I'm going to tell you in the tutorial in the coming days. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks.